Okay, I think DB clone is done. Let's check. Select name, comma open underscore mode from $, database. Show parameter SP file. SP file got created. Now we have to shut down the first node. Okay, so till here we completed. Okay, so there is no dependency with the source database. So that's why we are stopping source cluster nodes. From here, there is a dependency with the second instance. Okay, MS test2. MS test2 second instance is RAC 4. We have to bring up the RAC 4. To bring up the RAC 4, we don't have much resources available in our system. That's why we are stopping RAC 1. Okay, so RAC 2 is already stopped. RAC 3 is up and running. We are going to start the RAC 4. Meanwhile, we configure the P file. So we just need to open this P file. So uncheck this parameter. Uncheck this parameter. Uncheck this parameter. On top of, we have to put cluster database is equal to true. Let's stop the first node here. Manual prepare the SP file here. So remove or we stop the DB first. Shut immediate. RM SP file, this one. Okay, so we have P file exists now. So we have to put the database in normal state, then create the SP file. SP file should be created under this group, okay, not locally. If it is created under this group, any instance can able to access. Meanwhile, parallelly, this is not going down. Just power off, then go and start RAC 4. It will be started. Okay, create SP file is equal to, what is the location of OCR? Yeah, this one. Okay, so plus this one, SP file ms test dot vara from P file. Start immediate. Okay, till here it is done. Then startup DB in normal state, create SP file from P file is done, shutdown instance is done. Now we have to do all these steps. srvctl add database ms test. Okay, we have to start the database once the RAC 4 is up. Okay, we have to wait until RAC 4 is up and running. I think why ASM is not came up. Yeah. Now ASM came up. Now we have to start the database. Okay. Okay. So just open the alert log file. Use your own app Oracle based diag RTVMS MS test2 then trace. Yeah, now it is starting up, I think. Yeah, it is coming up. Okay, so everything is done. So I need to add the entry here. Right? G activities your tab. MS test 2 here. Then save dot space for INV MS test 2. And connect SQL plus SSTBA. Instance name, comma status from GB dollar instance. Here you can see MS test 1, MS test 2 open. Okay, by default RK log mode is so enabled. Okay, if you need you have to disable it. Most of the non-production environment test environments will be in the no RK log mode. I think you are aware how to enable RK log mode, disable RK log mode in RAC. Okay, you have to follow those steps to make this disabled. Can you do this cloning? Understood or confused?
Little bit confused, sir, but understood.
Okay. That's what. If you are strong in core, you will not have any confusion. If you don't practice the core concept, definitely it will be RAC will be very, very tough. Okay, there is a dependency. So practice core thoroughly. Okay. Suppose if you want to do RAC cloning, suppose RAC cloning concept, don't do RAC cloning concept first. First you do core cloning concept. Practice core cloning, then do RAC cloning. Okay, suppose let's say another concept is like patching. Okay, first do core patching, then do RAC patching.
Okay.
RK log mode core. If you know core in core how to enable RK log mode, then you have to practice RAC RK log mode enable and disable. Okay, again tomorrow we will have a class. Okay, so I am going to take a patching activity. So patching activity will take a lot of time. Okay, let's start at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Patching activity is very, 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 very important in RAC. Okay. So in RAC, what is the activity we are doing in real time is only patching. All these things we actually don't do. Okay. Okay, the activities which we do in real time is patching and cloning. Startup, shutdown. Only 4 things we do in real time. Okay, if you miss, I can't do anything. Okay, so tomorrow I have to go out also. Okay, I have to go out by 10 o'clock. So before 10 o'clock, I will complete. If you log in late, then things will be late. Okay.
Sure, sir. We will available at 7.
Okay.
Sir, please upload the videos. Yesterday's and today's class.
I think yesterday class I uploaded. Mostly today's class is pending. Okay, I'll upload. I'll check and upload. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yesterday evening class I need to upload. I think. Thank you, everyone. Good day.
Thank you, sir. Bye.